Hey everybody, my name is Ben Yonkel, and welcome to Cinder Studios. I'm a professional visual artist from the Pittsburgh area, and I've been painting in acrylics for over 18 years. And guess what? I love it! I love making art, I love talking about the art that I make, and I love inspiring you guys to make stuff of your own. So on this channel, you're going to find a lot of stuff. Everything from old short films I used to make, to tutorials, to my own painting process, and even my thoughts on the creative process and what it means to be an artist anyway. So it's kind of safe to say that you're bound to find something you like here. So yeah, this is an art channel. And it actually seems like there's a lot of them these days. In fact, I think everybody and their sister seems to have an art channel. But here at Cinder Studios, I do things a little different. If you're looking for those art channels that's really kind of silly and we all do little challenges every single week, then I'm just going to go ahead and say, click away now. You're not going to find that here. Don't get me wrong, art is fun. It's really fun, but also I take my work seriously. So if you're looking for a type of art video that isn't just zany and entertaining, but is actually something you're going to level up and really learn something in, then this is probably the channel for you. I like to think that my videos are those of a slightly higher caliber. Nope. Another thing you're going to notice here is that at the beginning or end of one of my videos, you'll never see this video is sponsored by, because I don't do sponsorships. It's very, very important to me that all of my content remains as unbiased as I can possibly make it. So, you'll never see that sponsorship. You're never going to see that outside interference from big companies. It's all just me doing it out of pocket. So if any of this sounds interesting to you and you want to get educational and inspiring videos to your inbox every week, specifically Saturdays and sometimes Wednesdays, then subscribe here to Cinder Studios. Subscribing to Cinder Studios is like joining a family, and we'd love to welcome you to it. So if you've enjoyed this trailer, want to learn more, or just want to stick around and see what happens, hit the like button, consider supporting me on Patreon, get subscribed if you're not already, and this has been Cinder Studios. See you guys next time.